In this video, let me show you how to get the Battle Fortress and Last Survival Shooter. Now, the Battle Fortress is one of the rare decorations you can unlock for your headquarters in the game. It's this distinctive structure that not only adds a unique visual upgrade to your base, but also provides powerful bonuses including troop attack, hero XP boost, and Zant yield increase. To get this, you must accumulate at least 8 million power within your first 7 days of starting the game. This is a part of a time challenge for new players. If your account goes beyond the 7-day mark and you haven't reached 8 million power yet, then unfortunately, the Battle Fortress becomes unavailable. So make sure you stay active and focus on boosting your power early. Through upgrading buildings, training troops, researching tech, and leveling heroes, if you want to claim this exclusive reward, that's the only current way to obtain the Battle Fortress and Last Sea Survival Shooter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.